Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Like YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can contact through the Google Pay. So how you can contact through the calls and chat and the email support. So these three options I'm going to show you. So this is basically help lots of people. So lots of people have so many issues with the Google Pay. If you have an issue, you can use this process to contact to the Google Pay India support. So in this video I'm going to show you the full details. So before going to the video, please just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So watch the full video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below and share this video with your friends and family members. So many of your friends may lost the money in the Google Pay. When they sending money to the friends, they may debit it, but the amount may not be credited. So you can use this process to the contact to the Google Pay team support, so that they will get them support and the issue will be solved. So now let's get into the topic. First of all, open the Google Pay app. So as you can see here, I open the Google Pay app. So make sure that your app is up to date. So once you open the app, so in the right top corner you will get your profile icon. Just tap on it. So once you tap on it, so in the below you will be getting an option called help and feedback. So just tap on it. So once you tap on it, just scroll down. So here still searching for answers. So here there is an option called get help. So just tap on it. So once you tap on it, so as you can see here, there is two options. So where you can chat and where you can send the email to the Google team support. So friends, note this point: don't search the Google Pay, Phone Pay, any customer care number in the Google. So I'm saying that, so this process will be help you to contact to the official number for the Google Pay. So if you want to chat with them, so you can click on chat and you can type your issue, and you can just in right top corner you will be getting an option called to send the message. So they will be surely reply for you. And if you want to send the email also, you can send the email. So you can just enter your first name and what is the help you need, and the Google transaction ID if your amount is debited and how much amount is debited, and describe what the problem you're facing. So if you don't want both these options, just scroll down below. So in the second option, as you can see here, contact Google Pay Indian customer care. So sometimes you may get this call option in the top also in the contact us section, call, chat and email. So if you not get, just scroll down below. So there is a contact us. So just tap on it. So just scroll down below. So as you can see here, you can reach out customer care toll free at 1800-419-0157. This is on Google Pay official number, friends. So you can just call to it. So you can, if you have any issues, you can contact to them. And if you don't know how to contact, you can just chat with them also you can email with them. So that's all for this video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. So at least for one member you share this video, so that it will be helpful for them also. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.